This video demonstrates the functionalities of manufacturing module and is brought to you by Nepro Business Solution. Today we will see manufacturing in OpenERP. So let's go with one simple process flow. First of all, let's make some products, the final product as well as raw material which will be required to make final product. Okay, I'm creating a product. Let's take an example. I'm taking a product as a watch. It can be sold but cannot be purchased. Product type is a stockable product. The sale price of this watch is suppose 10,000. In a procurement, I can mark it as a make to stock or make to order. Right now I'm keeping it as a make to stock. Supply method will be manufacture. The cost price of this watch is something around 8,000. Manufacturing lead time, suppose I require 7 days to manufacture this, and I'm marking it as save. So I got one final product. Now I'm just duplicating it to make a raw material. Let's take watch body. It cannot be sold but it can be purchased. Then information, this is a stockable product. The stock price, sale price is 0. Procurement, I'm marking as a make to stock, but the supply method will be buy. The cost price for this particular thing, let's take an example, 2,000. There won't be any manufacturing lead time. I'm marking it as save. And let's take one more raw material. Suppose hats. Make to stock, buy, cost price 1,000, stockable, sale, no changes in it, other things will be same. So we have created watch body, hands, and one more thing, suppose watch band. I'm making a cost price suppose 5,000. Other things will be similar. Marking it as C. So we have created some products. There are some raw material as well as a finished product. We have watch band, watch body, and the hands. Now before creating a manufacturing order, let us confirm that we have raw material in our warehouse. So I'm buying raw material from, let's take any supplier. So I'm creating a purchase order. So this China export. I'm buying some product. Watch body, I require suppose 10 quantities of watch body. Watch band, 10 quantities, and I require hands, suppose 10 quantities. So I'm just saving this. Confirm order. Now let's receive this product so that I can get to know that these products are in my warehouse. I'm receiving these raw material from the supplier. Now after receiving, let's check stock in a warehouse. into products, sorting the things. I got watch band 10, watch body 10, as well as hands 10. That means we have product in our stock. Now we can easily create a manufacturing order. But before we go to manufacturing order, we have to create one bill of material for our final product. Bill of material is nothing but the contain of raw material. Let's take an example. It means to create one final product, how many raw material we will require and which are that raw material, the list of raw material it contains. So I'm creating a bill of material for the final product. My final product is watch. Now this is my final product. The bill of material is watch BOM. Here keep it one quantity. That means to create a one watch, how many components we will require and which are the components it will require to create one single watch. So while creating a manufacturing order, the quantity gets multiplied by this quantity. The quantity of MO will get multiplied by the quantity of bill of material. So now I'm just creating a bill of material for final product watch. I'm selecting watch body. Obviously to create one watch I will require one watch body. Now there may possible this product will be valid from and valid until there will be a time span. In between that time span we require this product in this particular BOM, and out of this time span we don't require this product in this BOM. If the situation comes like this, then only you have to specify valid from or valid until date. So if you are specifying valid from and valid until that date, then only this product will come under that manufacturing order. Otherwise this raw material won't come in that BOM. So right now I'm not giving any valid from and valid until date, so it will come in all the manufacturing order which I will create for this particular product. Watch body, watch band, as well as hands. Just saving this. Now bill of material is created with some raw materials. Let's create a manufacturing order. But before we go to manufacturing order, I want to show you some other menus. Like there is a order planning. In this order planning we can see the calendar view of all the manufacturing orders which are planned in the date, the scheduled date. Like this, there's a manufacturing order 001 which is scheduled on this particular date, 7/9/2014. So I can see this manufacturing order on a 7/9/2014 date. So here you can see the calendar view of all of your manufacturing orders which are ongoing or which are in the process. There is a property group where if you are using any property like CPU, you want to create a property group. CPU, you want to give some description like central processing unit, kind of that, so that you can specify over here like this, just for a reference. There is a bill of material component. Here you can see all the components in all of your bill of material. So if you type anything over here, there's a search bar. If I'm selecting the product watch, I can see the watch bill of material over here. So here you get all the components belonging to your all of the bill of material, the centralized part. And the resources, it is kindly related with the HR, like working time. Here we can create a working time like 45 hours a week. So how many days it will be, the starting time as well as the ending time, work from, work to. Then the resource leaves, there is something leave management, which is again related with the HR. Here we can give or create the leaves for workers, like 2 hours on leave. Resources analyst, if analyst is there, he can take 2 hours on leave from this working time, so there will be a duration for that particular thing. Now let's create a manufacturing order for our final product, a watch. Right now I don't have any watch in my stock, so I'm creating a watch product. It will automatically fetch the bill of material from the system. I want to produce 10 watches. The schedule date is suppose 7/18, today's date itself. Raw material location, here we have to specify from where it should fetch the raw material or fetch the raw material, and finished product location, from where it have to transfer the finished product on which location. So here we can specify the finished product location. Right now both are your company only. Now the moment I'm saving this and I'm confirming a production, it will automatically fetch the products as per the bill of material which we have supplied for this particular product, as well as it will multiply the quantities as per the quantity which we have supplied in this manufacturing order, and it will generate products to consume automatically. Now here we can mark a force reservation, or we can consume a product one by one by clicking on this, like consume product. I want to consume, suppose I have only consumed 5 quantities till now, so it will only transfer 5 quantities from products to consume to consume products. 5 watch band, 5 watch bodies. So as per the date we can maintain the things over here. As well as 5 hands. You can see in finished product there are 10 watches. If I'm clicking on a produce, it will ask for a quantity. Here I will select a produce, selected quantity will be 5, and I'm clicking on a confirm. You can see in a finished product there are 5 products which are still in a procedure or in a process, and there are 5 products which are already produced. And suppose I want to produce all of the other products, consume and produce. I'm selecting the mode consume and produce. I'm clicking on a confirm. It will produce all the 10 quantities, and it will consume all the quantities from here. And at the end you can see the MO is in done stage, and now I got all the products which are produced. Scheduled products, here you can get the details of scheduled products. There are extra information. You can give the priorities, serial reference, serial name, packing list, other details regarding this. Now let's see whether I got 10 products or 10 watches in the hand. Sorry. Yes, I have 10 watches, and all of my other products got consumed, as you see. So in warehouse now I can easily sell watches. This was a simple manufacturing flow in OpenERP. Thank you.